Nature is filled with wonders, but some creatures take survival to a level that seems impossible. From animals that can literally come back from the dead to ones that shoot boiling acid from their bodies. These are powers that sound like they belong in a superhero movie, yet they're 100% real. Welcome back to Wildlife Facts. Untamed, unbelievable, uncovered. Today, we'll explore 10 animals with superpowers you won't believe. And by the end, you'll see the animal kingdom in a completely new light. Let's get started. 10. The tardigrade, the indestructible micro-warrior.
That little guy is a tardigrade, an animal smaller than the head of a pin.
Our first tiny superhero is the tardigrade, also called the water bear. It's less than a millimeter long, but it can survive conditions that would kill almost any other living thing. Tardigrades can endure extreme heat, freezing cold, radiation levels thousands of times higher than humans can survive, and even the vacuum of space. When conditions get too harsh, they curl into a ball and enter a state called cryptobiosis, suspending all life functions for decades. Then, when water returns, they simply wake up like nothing happened. Some call them immortal, and while they can die, their resilience makes them one of Earth's most incredible survivors. 9. The pistol shrimp sonic weapon master. If superheroes have laser guns, the pistol shrimp has something even crazier: a sonic cannon built into its claw. When it snaps its claw shut, it shoots a bubble so fast it reaches speeds of over 60 miles, around 97 kilometers per hour. The collapse of this bubble creates a shockwave strong enough to stun or kill its prey instantly. For a fraction of a second, the bubble's temperature even rivals that of the surface of the sun. It's proof that you don't need to be big to be deadly. Sometimes, all it takes is speed and science. 8. The mantis shrimp, nature's living tank. If the pistol shrimp is a sniper, the mantis shrimp is a brawler, with punches so fast they can break glass. Their club-like appendages strike at speeds of 50 miles per hour, around 80 kilometers per hour, accelerating faster than a .22 caliber bullet. The force is so great it can shatter crab shells, aquarium glass, and even small bones. To top it off, mantis shrimp have the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing polarized light and colors humans can't even imagine. They're like a superhero with super strength and supervision. 7. The immortal jellyfish, the real-life fountain of youth. Most creatures have a set lifespan, but the immortal jellyfish has found a loophole. When injured, sick, or old, it can revert its cells back to a youthful state, essentially starting life over. This process, called transdifferentiation, means it can theoretically avoid death from aging entirely. Of course, they can still be eaten, but if nothing kills them, they could live forever. It's nature's closest example to biological immortality. 6. The bombardier beetle, the chemical blaster. Superheroes use gadgets. This beetle has built-in chemical warfare. The bombardier beetle can shoot a boiling, toxic spray from its abdomen to ward off attackers. The chemicals are stored separately inside its body to avoid self-harm, but when threatened, it mixes them in a special chamber, causing a violent chemical reaction. The result? A rapid-fire burst of superheated liquid at nearly boiling temperatures, fired with pinpoint accuracy. 5. The electric eel, nature's high-voltage generator. The electric eel is less an eel and more a living battery. It can generate shocks up to 600 volts, enough to knock a human unconscious. It uses this electricity both for hunting and defense. In murky waters, it sends out electric pulses to detect movement, then delivers a stunning jolt to paralyze prey. It's like carrying a built-in taser, but far more powerful. 4. The axolotl, the regeneration master. While most animals can heal wounds, the axolotl can go much further. This salamander can regrow entire limbs, and not just once, but over and over without scarring. Even more incredible, axolotls can regenerate parts of their heart, spinal cord, and even parts of their brain. Scientists are studying them closely in hopes of unlocking similar abilities for humans. It's like having a healing factor straight out of the X-Men. 3. The lyrebird, the perfect mimic. Some superheroes have the power of deception, and the lyrebird does it through sound. Native to Australia, the lyrebird can mimic almost any noise it hears: chainsaws, camera shutters, alarms, and other bird songs. This skill helps it confuse predators and impress potential mates. It's so accurate, you'd swear you were hearing the real thing, until you realize it's coming from a bird. 2. The planarian flatworm, the self-cloner. Losing a body part is a disaster for most animals. But for the planarian flatworm, it's just an opportunity to multiply. Cut one in half, and both halves grow into complete worms. Cut it into 20 pieces, and you get 20 identical flatworms. They achieve this through a vast number of stem cells, which can transform into any other cell type. It's cloning, without a lab. 1. The praying mantis, the deadly timekeeper. While many predators rely on speed, the praying mantis has the precision of a trained assassin. It can strike in just 50-70 milliseconds, faster than the human eye can follow. Combined with its ability to rotate its head 180 degrees and camouflage itself perfectly, it becomes an almost invisible hunter. Its moves are so fast, scientists sometimes have to slow footage down almost 100 times of the normal speed just to study them. From creatures that can regenerate lost limbs to animals that can literally live forever, these species show that superpowers aren't just science fiction. They're woven into the fabric of life on Earth. Which of these incredible abilities would you choose if you could have just one? Immortality? Lightning-fast reflexes? Or the power to regenerate? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey into nature's superheroes, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next video. Until next time, stay curious.